the near zero marginal cost of the information is the incredible rise of the commons, because it's so cheap. It's so quick and instant to collaborate. We can collaborate and co-create. We don't need capitalists to come in and own the energy system or the production system or the information system or the knowledge system. It's all right here.
The green is a direction for the information revolution. It is not a revolution in itself. Of course, it's all sorts of revolutionary things happening, but they are being aided by the underlying revolution.
If we continue to have economies that are financially and politically addicted to endless GDP growth, we will not allow ourselves to be regenerative on the scale that we need to, and we will not become distributive on the scale that society needs.
Supposing we could get a decent measure of wealth creation. That decent measure of wealth creation should measure services, intangible things, and less material and less energy.